Hey everyone, this is Micah from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to show you how to install our 3rd gen Toyota Tundra Front Bed Molle panel. In this kit, you're going to get 3 panels. You're going to get 1/4 inch hardware, 1/4 inch nuts, 1/4 inch washers. You're going to get 3 1/8 inch bolts, 6 T-nuts, and 6 washers. The tools that you're going to need are going to be a 4mm Allen head, a 7/32 Allen head, a T55 torque head, and an 11mm socket. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing that we need to assemble these, we're going to flip these over so that these flanges are sticking up. We're going to go ahead and get these positioned. Might be easiest if you have this part coming off a table or something. There's 3 holes, sorry, in each of these, so I'm going to get these lined up and take one of my bolts, put a washer on it. Doesn't matter which way the bolt goes, could come from either side. Stick another washer on this side and get our nut on there, just finger tight for the moment. I'm going to get all 3 bolts in first, so another washer again, through, another washer, and a nut. Okay, now I'm going to take my 4mm Allen head, my 11mm socket. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. All right, now that we've got these 2 panels assembled, we just need to do the same exact thing with our 3rd one over here. Again, bolt, washer. Yeah, it's fun. All right, now that we've got all 3 panels assembled, it's time to take them to the truck. All right, so now that we're in the bed, you can see I've got my bed molle panels up in here. The first step is going to be taking out the front 2 bed bolts. So this is what you're going to use your T55 torque head for. It can be pretty helpful. Sometimes these are pretty tight, so the longer wrench that you have, the better. All right, so we got that first one out. Now moving on to the second. All right, so now what we need to do is insert our T-nuts into the rail. Each of these panels has 2 mounts, so I'm going to slide 3 in from this side and 3 in from the other side. All right, so now that we've got our 2 bed bolts out, we've got our T-nuts in the rail, it's time to shift this guy over. Carefully just kind of set it roughly in place for now. Gonna get one of my bolts ready. Gonna put a washer on the 3/8 bolt. We're gonna go ahead and get just one of these lined up with one of the T-nuts. Go ahead and just kind of start hanging it on them. Now that we've got these just all loosely in here, as you can see it's still kind of rattling, I want to lock it in place using our bed bolt. All right, that concludes our installation of the 3rd gen Toyota Tundra Front Bed Molle panels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today.